Hello dear friends, in this video, I'm going to talk about earning money with the 72-hour challenge and unlocking financial freedom. Sit back, relax, and let's dive into this insightful journey together. Did you ever notice how for the most part the decent, honest, hardworking people who make the biggest difference in our world are struggling? While the proud, boastful, arrogant gurus get rich and live their dream lifestyle without caring for anybody but themselves. I understand and empathize with you, completely. But listen. For this reason, a great mentor and business coach, Jonathan Montoya, has made it his mission to help level the playing field for decent, hardworking individuals who can create a positive impact on the world with the right guidance, tools, and resources. He sincerely hopes that this opportunity will be embraced by individuals who have good intentions and use what they learn for the greater good. One doesn't have to possess extraordinary talents to run a successful business. You just need a proven, well-oiled system that runs for you like clockwork 24/7. An example of this would be McDonald's. Ray Kroc was the founder and got the wheels in motion. He saw the overall picture and put systems in place that would function even when he wasn't present. Today anyone can purchase a McDonald's franchise and the model will make money because everything is already set in place. Here's a general rule for you. If a business needs a PhD and super IQ level to start up, it's not a good business to start, unless you're the genius. No, what the ordinary, everyday person needs to succeed is a business model that already works. I'm sure you've got these sayings in the business world stashed somewhere in your email archives. 1. Don't reinvent the wheel. 2. Success leaves clues. 3. Model what works. The 72-hour challenge hands you a business that will appeal to anyone, comes with a system and will generate you big profits without paying for ads, having your own product or handling shipping or after-sales support. Click the link in the description below to start the 72-hour challenge today. Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe. Bye for now.